Well, hello, and welcome back to Shane's Hobby Shop. For those of you that's been following my channel, you've been noticing I've been upgrading my lights from normal lights to LEDs. And the company I've been using is Sansi. They've been doing my lights inside the shop as well as security outside in my yard. And they are a good company. They do specialize in LED lights. And now I actually got another LED that I want to show you. Now you might be thinking, why Sansi? Why are these LEDs when I can just go down to my local Walmart and pick up some LEDs there? Well, today we're going to answer that question. What I got is just a couple here LEDs that I did pick up from my local Walmart, and I also got the LED light I picked up from Sansi. I will leave a link in the description below to where you can go and get this light along with the discount so you can get this for cheaper. Alright, so let's go ahead. I'm going to do a comparison about this light and these and show you why this will be a better light for you for your money. Alright, let's get busy. Alright, well there you go. A little nice side-by-side comparison of the LED lights that you can get from Walmart versus the LED from Sansi. Now this is a new product release from Sansi. It is 3500 lumens with a 5000K color, which is daylight. Alright, so yeah, very nice light, very sturdily made, and got 3 rows of LEDs all around this. Very nice. So I got a link in the description below to where you can go and buy this light. But you're not going to get just one. No, we are actually going to send you 2 lights with every order that you order. That's right, 2 lights come in one package. And on top of that, since you're one of my subscribers, I'm going to give you a discount code of 20% off of your order. There'll be a code just below the link. Go ahead and add that to your shopping cart. You get 20% off of these lights per 2. There you go. Very nice deal. I really like this. It's a very nice LED lights. I know exactly where I'm going to put these. And before you know it, I'm going to have LEDs from Sansi all throughout my entire yard, my house, my garage. That's right, they actually cover everything. I got security lights in my yard, I got LEDs up in my shop, minus this one behind me, and I also got LEDs in my house, all from Sansi. It's a very good company. I love the lights. Go check them out. Tell them Shane sent you, and don't forget that 20% off coupon code. Alright, well there you go. My name is Shane. This is Shane's Hobby Shop. We'll see you next time.